My name is Jared Damantoy. I am a graphic designer with more than 5 years of experience creating visual identities and digital content. I focus on clear, organized, and effective design. I work with photo editing tools, digital illustration software, Canva, and Figma. I design logos, brand materials, layouts, marketing graphics, and web visuals. I manage time well, communicate clearly, and adapt to project needs. I offer branding, social media design, layout work, and digital marketing materials. I can produce consistent graphics, improve online engagement, and support business growth. My experience at Pixel Point Hive strengthened my skills in design and account management. If you need reliable and fast design services, you can contact me at my email or visit me at my portfolio. Thank you.